Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Coinbase wallet recovery phrase. This special phrase, typically 12 words long, is your master key to all the cryptocurrency stored in your Coinbase wallet. It's crucial to understand that Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody product, giving you complete control over your digital assets. However, this also means that if you lose your recovery phrase, you will permanently lose access to your funds, as Coinbase cannot recover it for you. To find your recovery phrase, first open the Coinbase Wallet application on your smartphone. Once inside, look for and tap on the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. From there, select the specific wallet for which you need the phrase. You will then see an option to reveal secret recovery phrase or backup manually. This will guide you to the next step in securing your phrase. Once you reveal your recovery phrase, it is absolutely critical to write it down on a physical piece of paper. Create at least 2 or 3 copies and store them in separate, secure, and offline locations, such as a fireproof safe. Never take a screenshot, store it in a digital file, or save it to cloud services. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds, so keep it completely private and never share it. If you lose your Coinbase wallet recovery phrase, unfortunately, there is no way to regain access to your funds. Since Coinbase Wallet is non-custodial, Coinbase does not hold your keys and cannot assist with recovery. Your best course of action would be to create a new Coinbase wallet, securely back up its new recovery phrase, and then transfer any accessible assets to this new, secure wallet. Always back up your phrase immediately after creating your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.